I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, dear children, I again welcome you all in your computer class. Today, we are going to start chapter 4 using a mouse. Yes, dear children, we are learning each and every part of the computer. If you remember in our last classes, we have learned what is keyboard, how can we use keyboard. In our previous class, we have even learned what are the different parts of computer, what is the computer itself. So now today we will start with a fresh topic, that is using a mouse. As we all know, mouse is also a part of computer system. So dear children, I hope may your beautiful faces shower smiles and shine the world with brightness. So very good morning to you all. We were learning computer different parts, in that we have covered speaker, keyboard, monitor, CPU, printer. We have seen the functioning of these all. Today we will start with the mouse. So now dear children, you must be seeing you must be seeing this pointer. You might have seen this arrow, children, when you start your computer screen. You must be wondering what this arrow we call it. So yes, dear children, this arrow we call it mouse pointer. Yes, what do we call it? It is mouse pointer. This mouse pointer means this arrow moves with the movement of mouse. Yes, means when we move our mouse pointer, this arrow will show you its movement on the computer screen. Next is mouse buttons. A mouse generally has two buttons, left and right, and a scroll wheel, as you can see in the picture. Left button, right button, scroll wheel, and also the wire connected to it. Do you know, children, in earlier time a mouse had only two buttons, left and right. Now the left button is clicked most of the times. We click always left button for multiple functioning. The scroll wheel is used to move a computer page up or down. A modern day mouse has a sensor on its bottom. I'll show you the picture next. It helps in moving the mouse. This type of mouse is known as optical mouse. So here is a picture how optical mouse and mechanical mouse looks like. See the arrows. This is a mechanical mouse, this white one. It has a ball inside it which will help to rotate or to move cursor up and down. Whereas in optical mouse you will get a LED light for its functioning. This optical mouse, whenever it's on, there is a button given on and off. When you will sorry, when you want to work with it, you have to on it and you will get a LED light like this. Do you know, children, mouse kept on mouse pad? Yes, but it's not compulsory. You may work on mouse without mouse pad as well, but mouse pad gives a good support to the mouse for its clear functioning. So for clear functioning, you may carry a seat for mouse, that is mouse pad. Now dear children, do you know there are two types of mouses, wired mouse and wireless mouse. Wired mouse, as the name is given, you will be getting a attached wire to it. The one last corner of the mouse, we call it cord. You need to attach it with your laptop or your desktop computer in CPU port, so that you can use your functioning of a mouse in the computer or laptop. So it is a pointing device. Mouse is a pointing device. It is used for selecting or dragging objects on a computer. You can select as well as you can drag, means you can place the thing from one place to the another using the mouse pointer. Next is Next is optical mouse. We can also call it a modern day mouse. It has given a sensor on its button which helps for moving the mouse, so that we call it this type of mouse optical mouse. Here are two pictures of wired mouse and wireless mouse. Wired mouse come with attached wire, whereas wireless mouse can be operated like a remote control of the TV. Next is how to hold a mouse properly. As we know, dear children, we have a 4 fingers and 1 thumb. So we call them, look my mouse pointer, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger and little or pinky finger. Again I am repeating, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little or pinky finger. So now how using our palm we can hold the mouse like this. Now what we did in this, look the picture carefully. This is given in your book also, page number 25. You can go through once. You need to gently hold the mouse by placing your palm on the table. Keep your thumb on one side and the ring and little finger on the other side, as you can see in the picture of the mouse. These helps in moving the mouse easily on the mouse pad. When you give support with your hand, with your fingers from left and right side, it gives a good movement to your mouse to work smoothly. Then keep your index finger on the left button. You need to keep your index finger on the left button and the middle finger on the right button. The index finger helps in clicking while the middle finger helps in right clicking. Got it, dear children? Read once from your book as well. Page number 25, how to hold a mouse properly. So dear children, this is all for today. In this chapter 4, using a mouse, today we have covered what is the use of mouse, how does mouse pointer looks like, what are the different types of mouse, what are the mouse buttons, what are the uses of mouse buttons, left button, right button, mouse wire, how to place a mouse carefully, what are the different types of mouse, mechanical mouse, optical mouse, how does optical mouse looks like, how it reflects the things. Also, how can we keep our mouse safely for the smooth functioning, and types of mouse. Also, how to hold a mouse properly. So dear children, this is all for today. I hope you have understood. Read the lesson carefully. Chapter 4, using a mouse. Also, practice at your home. How can you hold your mouse properly if you have system? Practice. Otherwise, you can read the lesson and learn the things. Take care. Bye-bye. God bless you all. Have a nice day.